Have you ever slipped on ice and wondered, why is it so slippery? For nearly 200 years, science gave us an answer. But guess what? That answer was wrong. Back in the 1800s, James Thomson, the brother of Lord Kelvin, said that ice becomes slippery because pressure and friction melt its surface. Your body weight, your shoes, or your skis supposedly created a thin layer of water, making ice smooth like glass. And for generations, that's what we believed. It was in textbooks, classrooms, and even physics lectures. But new research from Saarland University in Germany has completely changed the story. Scientists ran powerful computer simulations and found that it's not pressure or friction at all. Instead, the real culprit is molecular dipoles. A dipole is when a molecule has a positive and a negative side, like tiny magnets. Water molecules in ice are perfectly lined up in an orderly crystal, but when your shoe or ski touches the ice, the dipoles in those materials disturb the order. That disturbance makes the surface molecules frustrated, messy, and unstable, and they turn into a thin, slippery liquid layer. So, you slip, not because you're melting the ice, but because the molecules themselves are dancing into chaos. And here's the wild part. This effect happens even at extremely low temperatures, close to absolute zero. The liquid layer still forms, though it's thicker than honey, so skiing would be impossible, but technically, ice still lubricates itself.